again. I think about you till I pass out.